The first step is to sign up for Spaceship.com hosting. We actually reached out to Spaceship.com and were able to get an exclusive discount just for our YouTube audience. To get that discount, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down the video description and click on the first link you find there. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page here. And once you're here, click on Pick Plan. And that's going to scroll you down to the hosting plans. We'll switch from monthly to yearly pricing. That way we can increase our savings. And we'll scroll down and look at the three options we have here. Here you'll find the yearly pricing for all three of these plans. And in just a few moments, I'm going to show you our exclusive coupon code that will help you save an additional 10% off all three of these plans. Now let's learn about all three of these plans and see what each of them offers. We have EasyWP Starter, Turbo, and Supersonic. The Starter plan is great if you're just creating a simple website and you don't need a lot of resources. The Turbo plan gives you the best balance of performance and features. You'll get more storage, faster speeds, and extra tools. And the Supersonic plan is built for large websites that expect a lot of traffic. Every plan does include free SSL and a free professional email inbox that's powered by Spacemail. All three are great options, but for this tutorial, I'll be going with the EasyWP Turbo plan. So I'll scroll down and click on Add to Cart, then View Cart. We'll go to the right side here. You're able to review your order, then go down and click on Checkout. To continue, we'll need to log into an existing Spaceship.com account, or if you don't have an account, you can go down and click on Sign Up. Here, go ahead and enter your personal information. Once you've filled out that information, click on Next. Then we'll create a password. Then click on Sign Up. Then you'll have a 6-digit verification code sent to your email inbox. You'll get an email like this from Spaceship.com. And your code here. We'll copy this code. Then we'll head back to Spaceship.com and paste in the code here. With that done, I'll go down and click on Verify. And now we can continue with the checkout process. Start by adding in your payment method here at the top. And you'll have a few different options to choose from. I'll be adding a credit card, so I'll click this option. Then I'll enter my payment information here. Then with my payment information filled out, I'll click on Save. Now, before you click on Pay Now, to save an additional 10%, find the Add Promo Code option here. Click on this, and you'll want to enter the code MM10. With this entered here, click on Apply, and that's going to save you an additional 10% off of your hosting plan. With that done, let's go down and click on Pay Now. We'll wait for our order to be processed here. And our order has now been processed. From here, you want to click on the Unbox button. And go to the bottom right to click on Skip Intro. Then we'll click on Start. And you'll have the option to either start a new EasyWP account or migrate an existing WordPress website. We'll be creating a new website, so I'll go with this option here. Go to the bottom right and click on Continue. Then we'll want to add a domain. Click on Add Domain. And here you can choose to search for an existing domain that you already own or search for a new one. I'll search for medicsmediawptutorial.com. And as you can see, that domain is available. So I'll go to the right side here and click on Buy. And before we can purchase this domain, we'll need to enter our information. So click on Edit. Then we'll need to select who it's being registered to, and your personal information should already be saved here. I'll select my personal information, and then Apply. You can review your options here at the top. I'm happy with all the default settings, so I'll go down to Proceed to Checkout. Then click on Pay Now. And once the order has been processed, we'll see our new domain appear here. It's automatically selected for us, so let's go to the bottom right and click on Continue. Next, we can choose if we want to connect a CDN. This will increase your website's loading speeds and improve your security. And it's free for the first year. So I'll click Apply here. And you'll see it's connected to my EasyWP Turbo plan down here. I'll go to the bottom right and click on Continue. Next, we can choose if we want a professional email. This is again free for the first year. So I'll click Apply. And that professional email will be connected to my domain. I'll go down and click on Continue again. And here we'll select our SSL. You'll see two options here. You'll have free SSL and positive SSL. Both of these options will make sure that visitors can visit your website securely. For increased security, I would recommend going with positive SSL. And once again, this is free for the first year with your hosting plan. So I'll go down and click on Apply and Continue. On this final screen here, you're able to review everything. I'm happy with my choices, so I'll go down again and click on Connect. It's going to connect all of these products to our domain and hosting plan, so we'll give this a few seconds to load. Nice, now everything has been connected to our plan and domain. From here, go to the bottom right and click on Configure Products. Here's where you're able to configure your professional email inbox. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and skip this for now. So I'll go to the bottom right and click on Skip Step. And here we'll want to select Create a New Website. So I'll select this. And if you have an existing or deleted website, you can choose this option here. With Create a New Website selected, I'll go to the bottom right and click on Continue. Now let's configure our website. I'll name my website WordPress Tutorial. Here you can change your admin username and password. I'll just leave this as default for now. Scrolling down, we can choose what our website will be used for. You can choose an option here if you'd like to. With that done, go to the bottom right and click on Configure Products. And with that done, we have now unboxed our Spaceship.com plan. To continue, let's go to the bottom right and click on I'm Done. Then go up and find your domain here and go to the right side of it and click on WordPress. And we've now arrived to our main WordPress dashboard.